So the next thing we'll cover is the IVR system. So you can have these set up as inbound or outbound. I'll show you my inbound IVR first. So I'm just going to call my Chirply number, and we'll put it on speaker here.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Try Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions, go ahead and press 2. Otherwise, press 3, and I'll send you a link to my calendar, and we can schedule a one-on-one demo.
So I gave people 3 options. I'm going to push 3.
I look forward to our one-on-one demo. I'm going to send you a link. Go ahead and choose a time that works best for you, and I'll see you on the Zoom call at the scheduled time.
So you can see what happened there is they pressed 3, requested a demo. I immediately sent them a Zoom link, and I was notified that that Zoom link was requested. So that's this option here. This is the actual IVR, how you set it up in the system. You record your initial message, and then you connect various options to these numeric keys. So when I had them press 3, this is the message that came through, and this is the one that was sent to the requester. So these can be customized with information you already have inside the system. So if you're uploading leads that have name, email, address, all of that can be used. These merge fields will populate that information for what you already have. So it's super powerful. This is going to save you a ton of time and get qualified prospects on the phone with you. And you can make these multi-layered. So you can have someone ask for a department, then the next level lists off various departments, then the next level lists off specialized things within that department, whatever you might want to do. So let's try it again, and this time we'll do option 1.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Try Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. Awesome. Sending that link over right now. You should receive it within a few seconds. Once you sign up, you'll go through the onboarding process and get $10 in free Twilio credits to use with your account. After you get signed up, you'll notice there's training videos right inside of your Chirply dashboard. So just find the graduation cap, go through those training videos. As always, reach out if you have any questions. Thanks again for choosing Try Johnson. Look forward to working with you.
So let's open up those messages here. You can see there's my VIP club message. There's my calendar schedule. And then there's the Chirply trial requested. So if I open up the calendar link, it's going to take me to Calendly, and those will just give people an option to schedule a time on my calendar that works for them. So I could select a date here and pick a time and just confirm that date, enter my info, then I'd be notified that I have a calendar appointment. Down here, it actually takes them to the Chirply funnel, and they can actually go sign up for that free trial. So pretty powerful. All that's automated. I don't have to do anything. Now, if they were to select 2, that's going to connect them instantly to me on the phone.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Try Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions, go ahead and press 2. Otherwise...
So now my phone is ringing. I have a sales bridge message coming in right now. As soon as I pick up, I'll hear a call whisper.
Incoming call about Chirply from Derek Johnson.
Now I'm connected on the phone. So that sales bridge will read custom fields. So it read my first name and last name. and it read whatever message I wanted it to read before I answered the phone, so I know what the call is about. So you can see here I have incoming call about Chirply from first name, last name. Any info I have from leads will be read right here. And you can customize this however you'd want. So if you're in the wholesaling business, for instance, looking for motivated sellers, you could put the address field here, and it would read what property they're calling about, as well as their first name.
So the marketing, to me, I've known for years, in building systems and stuff like that. When I seen what you were doing, I was like, yeah, I'm going to link with this guy because I can kind of trust his vision a little bit. And I can already tell that you're one of those people who's kind of like a jack of all trades, but you're unusually good at a lot of them. So I said, I got to get to know this guy real quick. I like what he's doing. That means I don't have to go do it, and this is awesome. So